Pi is a project and process management application. And guess what? We use Pi to learn how to use Pi. So this is a recipe to help you get started following some steps that'll walk you through and teach you how to use Pi. Let me give you a quick overview. On the start here slice, just click it. And for example, if you hover over a task, it just tells you what to do, or you can click on it. You can read all about it. And then when you're done, you just double click, little check mark, and move on to the next task. Now, a lot of these have videos, like this one has a video. You can click on the video link, it'll open it up in a separate tab, and you can watch the video. And some of them even have multiple links here to help you. Let's go into the Learning the Pages slice. These are all the major pages of the application. And what you do here is just grab yourself a cup of coffee, a slice of pie, and then sit back and watch the videos. So let's say you want to learn about the On My Plate page. Open it up, and there's a link right here. Just click on the link, click on this link that pops up here. It'll provide a nice little video that you can watch to learn how that page works. Now, once you're done learning about the different pages, watching those videos, again, mark your task done as you go through. Then you would click on the last slice. And let's assume that you're wearing one of these hats. Let's say you're a team member but not a project manager, then you would just click on this and then follow these steps. Each one of these, they're structured in a way that makes it very helpful to learn. You have a scenario, so it kind of gives you an idea of what the scenario is, what you're trying to do. It has a video, and then it has exercises. And then when you're done, just mark them done. Now let's say you're a project manager. You click on this box, and these are all of the different types of activities a project manager might want to do. As a project manager, you probably want to do both the team member and the project manager box. Now, a recipe creator is someone who creates the content like you're looking at here. So, creating all of the structure of the pie, creating the action steps, creating the content within the description. So we teach you how to create a recipe and teach you how to think about building content strategies. Then if you're an executive, you can go to this box and you can learn about the dashboard reports, different things to help answer your questions as you're trying to understand the progress or if there are any challenges or issues that need to be solved. And again, it's a good chance that you're wearing multiple hats. For example, as a project manager, I might have to create a recipe now and then. And also as a project manager, I might want to look at the dashboard and learn about the reporting. And but let's say let's say you're a team member and you don't need to follow these three boxes. What you can do is go over here, click on this little More Options kebab icon, and then mark this box as not needed, like so. And let's go to Creator, click here, mark it as not needed, and then the Project Manager, click here, mark as not needed. What this does, it automatically marks these three boxes done, so that way when you go into the team member and you're marking your tasks done on this list, it'll fill in the entire slice as completed once you have just this box done. And if you need to undo any of these that you've done, let's say you say, well, actually I do need to learn a bit about this one, just click on the undo and then that'll undo it, and then that one becomes active. Right, hopefully this video was helpful. Have fun with Pi.